Your laptop won't turn on, but the charging light is on. You press the power button and nothing happens. No screen, no fan, no sounds, just that little LED mocking you. Before you panic or spend money on repairs, let me walk you through the fixes that work for most people. I've seen this issue hundreds of times, and about 70% of cases get solved by the very first fix I'm going to show you. So, let's start there. Fix number 1, the hard reset. This is free and takes 2 minutes. Unplug your charger completely. If you have a removable battery, take it out. Now hold the power button for 30 full seconds. Actually count it out, don't just guess. This drains residual power from the capacitors and resets the power management controller. After 30 seconds, release the button, plug just the charger back in, leave the battery out for now, and press the power button normally. Did it boot? If yes, you're done. The problem was residual power buildup, which is extremely common. If it didn't work, keep watching. Fix number 2. Check if your laptop is actually turning on, but the screen is dead. This catches a lot of people off guard. Connect an external monitor using HDMI or USB-C. Plug in your charger, press the power button, and wait 30 seconds while watching the external monitor. If you see your laptop's display appear on the external monitor, your laptop works fine. You have a screen problem, not a boot problem. Also listen carefully. Do you hear any fan noise when you press power? Any clicking? If yes, the laptop is turning on. You just can't see it. Fix number 3, reseat the RAM. This requires opening your laptop, and so skip this if you're not comfortable with that. Loose RAM is one of the most common causes of no boot situations. Unplug everything and remove the back panel. Find the RAM modules. Push the clips outward so they pop up. Pull them out, check for dust, then reinsert them firmly until the clips snap back. If you have 2 sticks, try booting with just one at a time to identify if one has failed. Fix number 4, try a different charger. Even though the charging light is on, your charger might not be delivering full power. The LED only indicates low power communication. It doesn't confirm the charger can provide the 65 watts or more needed to actually boot. Use an original charger if you have one. Check the wattage matches your laptop's requirements. Also try a different wall outlet. Power strip issues are surprisingly common. Fix number 5, remove the battery completely. A failed battery can prevent boot even when plugged in. If you have a removable battery, take it out. For internal batteries, you'll need to open the laptop and disconnect the battery cable. Then try booting on AC power alone. If it boots without the battery, your battery is dead and needs replacement. You can keep using the laptop plugged in until you get a new one. Fix number 6, clear the CMOS. This resets your BIOS to factory defaults. Open the laptop, find the small silver coin battery on the motherboard. It's usually a CR2032, and remove it. Wait 5 minutes. This clears any corrupted settings. Reinstall it and try booting. Fix number 7, check for physical damage. Look at your charging port. Is it loose? Does the plug wiggle? Check for liquid damage, corrosion, or burn marks. If you see a swollen battery pushing up the trackpad or case, stop using it immediately. That's a safety hazard. If you've tried all of this and still nothing, you're likely looking at motherboard failure. At that point, professional repair is your next step. But the good news is that most cases get solved by the hard reset or RAM reseat. Try those first before assuming the worst. I've got a full written guide with cost estimates and more details linked in the description. And if you want hands-on help diagnosing your specific situation, there's a link to chat with a tech expert who can walk you through it. Hit subscribe if this helped, and drop a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. I'll see you in the next one.